Struggling to understand New York's Medicaid system? This video breaks down the application process, making it easier than ever to access the healthcare you deserve. First, let's determine if you're eligible. New York Medicaid eligibility generally depends on your income, household size, and resources. Visit the New York State Department of Health website for the latest income thresholds. The link is in the description below. Next, gather your paperwork. You'll typically need proof of income, like pay stubs or tax returns. Proof of residency, such as a utility bill, your social security card, and immigration documents if applicable. Having these ready will speed up the application. Now, it's time to apply. You can apply online through the NY State of Health Marketplace. Create an account and follow the step-by-step instructions. Be thorough and honest in your answers, as any inaccuracies can cause delays. Prefer paper? You can download the Medicaid application form from the Department of Health website or pick one up at your local Department of Social Services. Fill it out completely and mail it in. After submitting your application, be prepared for a phone interview. A Medicaid representative may call to verify your information or ask for clarification. Answer all questions truthfully and provide any additional documentation they request. Finally, be patient. The application process can take some time. Once approved, you'll receive your Medicaid card and information about your healthcare benefits. Congratulations, you're now covered. Applying for Medicaid can be daunting, but with the right information and preparation, you can navigate the system with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful healthcare tips.